Welcome to Mariestad, a gem nestled on the shores of Lake Vänern, Sweden's largest lake. With its rich history, stunning natural landscapes, and vibrant cultural scene, Mariestad invites visitors to explore its many wonders. Mariestad, founded in 1583 by Duke Charles, who later became King Charles IX of Sweden, boasts a remarkable blend of historical significance and natural beauty. Named after his wife, Maria of the Palatinate, the city serves as a living museum, inviting us on a journey through time. Mariestad and its surrounding areas are steeped in Viking history. Various archaeological finds and sites around the city, such as in Karleby and Leksberg, offer glimpses into the life during the Viking era, including the transition to Christianity. At the heart of Mariestad lies its old town, Gamla Stan, known for its well-preserved wooden buildings dating back to the 18th and 19th centuries. As we wander through the cobblestone streets, we're transported to another era, with each building telling its own story. The crown jewel of Mariestad, however, is the magnificent cathedral, a rare example of a city with a cathedral but no bishopric. Its imposing structure and historical significance make it a must-visit. Just outside Mariestad, the Kvarnstensgruvan in Lugnos offers a unique insight into the industrial history of the region. This millstone quarry, now a museum, showcases the hard work and ingenuity of the people who once extracted stone from the earth. Mariestad's connection to the Gotha Canal, one of Sweden's most significant engineering feats, adds another layer to its allure. The canal, serving as a gateway to exploring the beauty of Västergötland, is perfect for leisurely boat trips, cycling along its banks, or simply enjoying a picnic by the water's edge. Mariestad is not just about history, it's also a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. The proximity to Lake Vänern provides ample opportunities for water sports, fishing, and relaxation by the water. The area's lush forests and nature reserves are perfect for hiking, biking, and wildlife watching, offering peace and tranquility. Recognized for its commitment to sustainability, Mariestad has embarked on innovative environmental projects, such as the development of green spaces and promotion of eco-friendly transportation. The city's proximity to the Lake Vänern Archipelago Biosphere Reserve highlights its natural beauty and biodiversity. Efforts to preserve this unique ecosystem are evident in the carefully managed hiking trails like the Biosphere Trail, which invite exploration while ensuring conservation. Mariestad by night transforms into a charming blend of historic beauty and vibrant social life, where the serene glow of streetlights complements the lively atmosphere of its cozy restaurants and pubs, making it a captivating stop for travelers heading north in Sweden. It's a vibrant city that comes alive throughout the year, brimming with cultural events, markets, and festivals that showcase its rich heritage. As a creative hub, it offers a wealth of artistic and musical experiences, from galleries to live music venues and theaters, all hosting an array of performances and exhibitions. The Mariestad Summer Jazz Festival stands out as a particular highlight, attracting jazz aficionados from all corners with its exceptional talent. Complementing this cultural tapestry, the city boasts a remarkable culinary scene, with top dining spots such as Tandoori Cook, a bar, Restaurant Kingfisher, Sillen Dynamite, Willys Thai Kitchen, and Levin & Co. Café Mariestad offering unforgettable gastronomic experiences. Mariestad hosts a diverse industrial landscape, demonstrated by its top companies, each contributing significantly to the town's manufacturing base. Leading the pack is Metsä Tissue AB, a major player in tissue production, with approximately 500 employees. In the automotive sector, Motor Trend Aktiebolag stands out with around 200 employees, while Prodma AB and Nemo Verken Aktiebolag, specializing in advanced manufacturing and materials engineering respectively, each have about 100 employees. Similarly, FX Airguns AB, renowned for its precision airguns, also has roughly 100 employees. These companies showcase the broad spectrum of Mariestad's manufacturing capabilities. As our journey through Mariestad comes to an end, it's clear that this city is more than just a destination. It's an experience that stays with you. From its historical roots to its vibrant cultural life and natural beauty, Mariestad offers something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, nature enthusiast, or culture seeker, Mariestad welcomes you to discover its treasures. So pack your bags, set your sights on Mariestad, and let the adventure begin.